In Week 5, the Browns return home, but it won't be an easy one as they face the standard bearer in the National Football League, the New England Patriots, coming off of a 12-4 season. Good for another AFC crown for Belichick and Brady, and their plus 150 point differential last year was third best in the entire National Football League and best in the AFC. Obviously, when you think Patriots, you think the top two names, Bill Belichick, the head coach, and the quarterback, Tom Brady, arguably the greatest of all time. You know about Rob Gronkowski? Well, he's got a new running buddy this year as they bring in Martellus Bennett, one of the most dominant pass-catching tight ends in the NFL, and they're going to have the combination of Gronk and Bennett that is going to be almost impossible for teams to stop. This is a very solid defense anchored by Devin McCourty, the safety, the Pro Bowler on the backside. They've got good linebackers with Dante Hightower and, of course, Jamie Collins. This is just a strong overall team. It'll also mark the return of Jabal Sheard to Cleveland, who had a very strong season with the Patriots. If there is a hotter ticket in town this weekend, I don't know what it is